Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how we can attach a UV filter to the camera of our Vivo X200 Pro, because actually this is not a smartphone. This is a camera with phone functions, so it's better we protect the lenses of this camera. I prefer to use a UV filter instead of ordinary lens protectors. So, for instance, this UV filter I think will do the job. So in this video I will show you how we can attach this UV filter to the lenses of our camera. But before attaching this UV filter, let's clear our camera or lenses, let's say, with a nice soft tissue. So let's make sure if it is clean. Yes, now it's clean. Okay, so what else we need? We need a double-sided tape. Double-sided tape, and then of course we need a scissors like that. Cutting like this, and then I will cut it like that. One more. We will stick it here like that. And remove the top layer. Yes, like that. And then let's add this one somewhere here like that. Yes, and then next, let's remove again the protector of this tape. Okay, this side. So now we stick, let's say, double-sided tape here to the around of the lens, and then let's attach this UV filter just here. So let's clean it first, and now we will attach this UV filter here carefully so that it will be equal every side. And here it is. Now we attach a UV filter to the lens of our camera, let's say. It's very sturdy. And now after this UV filter, we can also attach a CPL filter, for instance. Here we have a CPL filter, and we can attach this CPL filter, and then we can take better photos. Now, as you see, we attach UV filter and then a CPL filter. The filter size is 72 mm. In this way, we can also prevent some sunlight rays which is causing lens flare. So by doing like that, we can also reduce light flare as well. I hope you found my video useful. If you find my video useful, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also please don't forget to like and comment in the comment section down below. Until we see you in our next video, please take good care of yourself. Bye bye.